Most tourists flock to Gullfoss, but I'm gonna show you a waterfall that's even more impressive. This is Aldeyjarfoss, a waterfall carved by fire and ice. And it is absolutely stunning. The water is so clear that you can see right through it. And the moss and the lichen growing on the rocks just adds to the beauty of it all. It's like something out of a fantasy movie. And the best part is that there's no filter needed. What you see is what you get. This is Iceland's most impressive waterfall that you haven't heard of. It's located in the Highlands, about an hour's drive from Reykjavik, and the road to get there is absolutely stunning. You'll feel like you're driving on top of the world. So if you're ever in Iceland, make sure to add this place to your list. You won't regret it.